Hello, I'm Ella, and welcome to Talking Easy Channel. We're back with another exciting episode, and today we're diving into something that gets millions of people buzzing with excitement every year.
That's right, Ella. We're talking about Black Friday, the shopping event that literally makes people camp outside stores and crash websites worldwide.
Absolutely, and with November already here, Black Friday is just around the corner. I'm already seeing the early bird deals popping up everywhere.
Same here. My inbox is flooded with pre-Black Friday sales. But before we get into all the shopping madness, let's talk about what Black Friday actually is for anyone who might be new to this phenomenon.
Great idea! So, Black Friday is traditionally the day after Thanksgiving in the United States, which falls on the fourth Thursday of November. It marks the unofficial beginning of the Christmas shopping season.
And it's called Black Friday for some interesting reasons, right? I remember reading about the history.
Oh yes, there are actually two main theories about the name. The first one dates back to the 1960s in Philadelphia. Police officers used the term Black Friday to describe the chaos that ensued when massive crowds of shoppers and tourists flooded the city.
That makes sense. And what's the second theory?
The second one is more business-oriented. Retailers traditionally operated at a financial loss, or in the red, for most of the year. Black Friday was when they finally turned a profit, moving into the black.
Fascinating how it evolved from something negative to the biggest shopping celebration of the year.
Speaking of evolution, it's incredible how Black Friday has grown globally. It's not just an American thing anymore.
Definitely not. Countries like the UK, Canada, Australia, and even Asian countries have adopted Black Friday. I was surprised to see Black Friday sales in Japan last year when I was traveling.
The numbers are mind-blowing too. In 2023, online Black Friday sales in the US alone reached nearly $10 billion.
$10 billion? That's insane. And that's just online. Can you imagine the total including in-store purchases?
It must be astronomical. But here's something interesting. The whole Black Friday experience has changed dramatically, especially after COVID.
Oh, absolutely. Remember those videos of people literally fighting over TVs in stores? That's becoming less common now.
Right, now it's more about online shopping. People are getting smarter about it. No more camping outside Best Buy at 3 a.m.
Thank goodness. Though I'll admit there was something exciting about that early morning rush, the adrenaline of getting that doorbuster deal.
I know what you mean, but let's help our listeners navigate Black Friday like pros. What's your number one tip?
Start your research early. Don't wait until Black Friday to decide what you want to buy. Make a list now. Check the regular prices so you know if you're actually getting a good deal.
That's crucial. So many retailers inflate prices before Black Friday just to make the discounts look bigger.
Exactly. I use price tracking tools like Honey or Camel. They show you the price history of products.
Those are game changers. My second tip would be to set a budget and stick to it. It's so easy to get carried away when you see 70% off everywhere.
Oh, I've been there. Last year, I had a budget of $500, ended up spending $1,200. The deals were just too tempting.
We've all been there. That's why I now use a separate debit card with only my Black Friday budget loaded on it. When it's gone, I'm done shopping.
That's brilliant. I'm stealing that idea.
Let's talk about what products typically have the best deals on Black Friday.
Electronics are always the big winners. TVs, laptops, gaming consoles, smartphones, tablets. These usually have the deepest discounts.
Definitely. I always wait for Black Friday to upgrade my tech. Home appliances are another category with great deals.
Yes, refrigerators, washing machines, robot vacuums. If you're planning any major home purchases, Black Friday is the time.
What about clothing and fashion?
Fashion can be hit or miss. You'll find good deals, but usually not as dramatic as electronics. Maybe 30 to 50% off compared to 60 to 70% on electronics.
Here's something people often overlook: subscription services. Many streaming services, software subscriptions, and online courses offer their best deals on Black Friday.
Great point. I got my Adobe Creative Suite subscription last Black Friday for 40% off. That's a huge saving for the whole year.
Speaking of online, let's discuss the online versus in-store shopping debate.
Well, online shopping has clear advantages. No crowds, easy price comparison, shop from your couch in pajamas.
And most retailers now offer the same deals online as in store, sometimes even better online exclusives.
True, but there's something about in-store shopping. You can see and touch the product, no shipping delays, and sometimes there are in-store only doorbusters.
Plus, no risk of porch pirates stealing your packages.
Oh, that's become such a problem, especially during Black Friday when everyone's ordering things.
Let's talk strategy. When should people start shopping?
Honestly, don't wait for actual Black Friday. Many retailers start their sales early, sometimes a week or two before.
Amazon usually starts their Black Friday deals in early November. And here's a pro tip. Some of the best deals are actually lightning deals that pop up randomly.
Those lightning deals are tricky, though. You need to be quick. They usually last only a few hours or until stock runs out.
Which brings us to another important point: the apps. Download retailer apps before Black Friday. They often send push notifications for flash sales.
And many apps have exclusive app-only deals. Plus, mobile checkout is usually faster than desktop.
Now, let's address the elephant in the room: Black Friday scams. They're everywhere during this season.
Unfortunately, yes. Fake websites that look identical to real retailers, phishing emails promising impossible deals. It's a scammer's paradise.
How can our listeners protect themselves?
First, always check the URL carefully. Scammers create sites like Amazon or Best Buy Ye, slight misspellings that you might miss if you're shopping quickly.
And if a deal seems too good to be true, it probably is. A new iPhone for $100? Come on.
Also, use credit cards instead of debit cards for online shopping. Credit cards have better fraud protection.
And never shop on public Wi-Fi. Wait until you're on a secure network.
Good point. Now, what about Cyber Monday? Should people wait for that instead?
Cyber Monday can actually have better deals for certain categories, especially online-only retailers and digital products.
I've noticed travel deals are often better on Cyber Monday. Hotels, flights, vacation packages.
That's true. And software, online courses, digital subscriptions, these tend to have their deepest discounts on Cyber Monday.
But for physical products, like TVs or appliances, Black Friday usually wins.
Let's talk about something controversial: the environmental impact of Black Friday.
It's a valid concern. The overconsumption, the packaging waste, the carbon footprint from all that shipping.
Some people are now participating in Buy Nothing Day as a protest against consumerism.
I respect that. I think the key is mindful shopping. Buy things you actually need or have been planning to buy, not just because they're on sale.
Exactly. Quality over quantity. Better to buy one high-quality item that lasts than 5 cheap things that break in 6 months.
Speaking of planning, let's give our listeners a Black Friday timeline.
Great idea. So right now, in early November, start researching, make your list, set your budget.
Mid-November, start monitoring prices, sign up for newsletters, download apps.
Week of Black Friday, watch for early sales. Many start on Monday or Tuesday.
Thanksgiving Day, many online sales actually start on Thanksgiving now.
Black Friday itself, be ready early. Best doorbusters usually start at midnight or early morning.
And don't forget the weekend. Small Business Saturday supports local businesses, and Sunday often has leftover deals.
Then Cyber Monday to wrap it all up.
You know what's interesting? Some retailers are now extending Black Friday into a whole month-long event.
Black November, they're calling it, which honestly takes some pressure off that one crazy day.
But it also makes it harder to know when you're getting the actual best deal.
True. That's where price tracking becomes essential.
Let's share some personal Black Friday wins and fails. I'll start with a fail. Bought a smart home device for 60% off. Turned out it was discontinued and the app support ended 3 months later.
Oh no, that's why research is so important. My fail was buying clothes online without checking the return policy. Sale items were final sale and nothing fit.
Lesson learned. Now for wins. I got my current TV 3 years ago on Black Friday. 55-inch 4K for half price. Still works perfectly.
Nice. My best score was a high-end coffee machine. Normally $800, got it for $300. I use it every single day.
See, that's a perfect Black Friday purchase. Something you'll actually use regularly.
Before we wrap up, quick fire tips for our listeners.
Use cashback sites and browser extensions.
Stack coupons when possible.
Check return policies before buying.
Create separate email for shopping to avoid spam in your main inbox.
Use price alerts for items you want.
Don't forget about gift cards. Many places offer bonus cards during Black Friday.
And most importantly, don't lose sleep over missing a deal. There's always another sale coming.
That's so true. FOMO is real during Black Friday, but your well-being is more important than any discount.
Absolutely. So to recap, plan ahead, do your research, set a budget, be aware of scams, and shop mindfully.
And remember, the best deal is the one on something you actually need and will use.
Well said. That's all for today's episode of Talking Easy Channel. We hope this helps you navigate Black Friday like a pro.
Don't forget to subscribe, hit that notification bell, and share this episode with anyone who needs Black Friday tips.
Drop a comment letting us know what you're planning to buy this Black Friday. We love hearing from you.
Until next time, happy shopping, stay safe, and remember, shop smart, not hard.
This is Talking Easy Channel, signing off.